Hello my friends, my name is Richard Weberg for those of you who do not know me, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Viral Traffic Co-op. This again is a completely automated hands-free traffic source that will help you to get leads and sales for whatever you're promoting. Basically you set it up and every so often you can log in and check out your stats, but it's just a matter of a few minutes to actually set it up. And to refresh real quick for people who may be landing on this video for the first time, I am doing a series of videos on my channel. And if you scroll down when you're on my channel, like underneath any video of mine that you're watching, you just click on my name underneath the video right here, and you can open it in a new tab or the same tab, and that will bring you to my channel. And what you can do is scroll down to the video series, how to get 10,000 website visitors a day, because that's where this new video is going to be. But you may find it in the search results and land on this series, but only on one video. And here is where you can watch the entire playlist. All you do is click play all, or just start with the first one, watch it, and then come back and click on the next one. But if you hit play all, it'll line them all up in the right hand side or somewhere on your screen, depending upon the size of your screen, of where you can just watch the next video in the series. And that's what we're doing, is through this series of videos we're going to show you how to get 10,000 website visitors a day to whatever you are promoting. And if you're part of our Great Life team, that's what we are all promoting. And in these videos, make sure you watch, because it explains a lot of different stuff about what to promote, why to promote, how to promote, and what these programs can do for you, and making sure that you're in the right niche to be able to do this. So 10,000 visitors a day is the goal, and we will get there through teaching you how to do all the things that we are doing to absolutely crush it online, and our team is crushing it in Great Life. And underneath any video, last thing before I show you how to set up Viral Traffic Co-op, is underneath any video you'll always see a link to what we're doing. You can take the free tour, Greatlife Worldwide, click on it, and it'll open up in a new tab, and you can put in your details, take the free tour, and check out more about what we are doing. Or you can go to greatlifemoney.com, just type it in your browser, greatlifemoney.com, and that'll bring you to our tour page as well. So let's get into the setup. Viral Traffic Co-op is owned by Darren Olander. I've known him for a very long time, and he is in the traffic business. A lot of the things that he does is surrounded around generating traffic, and he's had this Viral Traffic Co-op for quite a few years. And I just sent him a question about it, making sure it was completely active still and they're delivering traffic. And I sent him a message through the support ticket system, and I reached out to him on Facebook because, like I said, I know him. And he answered within minutes, literally, both. He answered the support ticket and answered me on Facebook in minutes. Said, absolutely, still going great. Go ahead and get signed up and join. Because I said I wanted to share it with a lot of our team members and our subscribers on YouTube. So I absolutely trust this traffic source. This traffic source is a $25 one-time cost. So you can get a share in the co-op. And the way this one works is, of course, you'll land underneath the video. There will be a link to this traffic co-op, and you click on it, and it'll bring you to this page. And then when you're at the bottom, you scroll down here. This is where you're going to put your name, first name, last name, email address, password. Make sure you write it down. Make sure you write down the name of the site and everything. Always write down your sign-up details in a password book. I do it all the time. I work with people, and it never ceases to amaze me that some people cannot log into anything when I try to help them, because of the fact they never kept track of any of their passwords. So if you're in business to make money, you always treat it like a real business. Make sure you always write down your username, password, email used for every site. And I do that not on my computer, because I want to be able to bring that book with me anywhere I go. And that's what I have. I have a password book right here that has all my passwords in it. Always when I join sites, that goes with me wherever I go if I'm traveling, so I can still work from the comfort of my home. So just a tip there. So then you just click on create free membership, and you should see the next page after you create your free membership. And I don't remember if I had to confirm my email address, but usually it'll tell you if you have to confirm your email address. You'll get an email after you put in your details and select create free membership, and you may have to go in your email address you used to sign up and click the link to confirm it. But I don't think you do with this one. And then you'll be brought to a page like this where you're going to purchase your traffic package. So you can read through this stuff right here, which I would suggest you do. And like I've said in other videos, that's why it's important that you watch the videos in the series right here, because there are things I explain about some of these traffic sites that we use, like with this one as well. It'll be delivered in iframes, and there are some sites, like some pages that will not show up in iframes. It's not a lot, but there are some companies out there that block from showing up in iframes, and I honestly don't know why, because I've used traffic resources over the last 20 some years of being online that have delivered in iframes with absolutely no problems and get tons of leads and sales and signups from those traffic resources like this one, over the years. Because iframes is perfectly fine. So I don't know why some sites block them. And then make sure you're using a lead capture page. And I explained that. So in other videos, make sure you're using a lead capture page of some kind. And like our company that we're with, they provide us with lead capture pages. Yes, we do build our own email list at the same time, but we also drive leads to that page for our Great Life team, for our, to sponsor people and get leads in our business. Why do we do that? Because it absolutely works, and the company that we're with follows up with our leads on our behalf as well. We also personally reach out to every lead, but the company also follows up with them. Very powerful when you have it like that, and that's why we love the company we are with, besides absolutely love the comp plan and everything. So make sure you have a lead capture page. You're building a list of leads so you can follow up with people, or the company you're with provides a lead capture page where you have access to your leads so you can follow up with them. But make sure you use the lead capture page and that your site can load in iframes. But read through this. Then all you do is click on this Order Now button. That will bring you to a page like this. If not, you just go here and click on Campaign Manager and click on Buy Co-op Packages if it makes you log in first, or it doesn't auto-log you in. It auto-logged me in when I did it. And then you select the quantity. You can select one share, which is going to give you one share rotating. Or if you want to, you can put your site in twice. Once you do that, then you select payment preference, and it's a one-time payment. You can make it a monthly subscription. That's up to you. You choose here. And then you just click on Pay Through Stripe right here. Just click on this, and you will pay. And then after that, you will be brought to a page that looks like this, where you will put in your link. Like you see our Great Life Tour page link here is already in there because I already did mine, because I went through paying, and I don't want it to show you my payment details obviously on this video. And so if you ever need help, any of these tabs here, Campaign Manager will get you back to here. It will put in your link, and you can see there's no space here before the H. Make sure there's not. And then status active, change that to active, and then hit save. And what will happen then when it's changes saved successfully is this green arrow will show up that you saved it successfully, and then it'll say pending, because now this traffic source starts at the beginning of each month. So what you want to do is get in the traffic co-op before the beginning of the next month, because that will determine how much traffic is being delivered and all of that. So they have it set at the beginning of each month as to not put too many people in the rotator for that month. And so people will get traffic delivered throughout the month. So make sure that you get in this right away so that you're always in it before the next month. And if you put it on recurring, then that $25 comes out every month, and you're always set month after month after month. You're going to get traffic delivered to your tour page or your opt-in page, whatever you are promoting. And then you, just like I said, you click save, and remember, it's going to start at the beginning of the month. So if you are joining right now, that's going to be August 1st. It's going to start. So you want to get in right away. Anytime before August 1st, you're going to wait till August 1st before it starts. And then if you were to join a traffic co-op, this one on August 2nd, you'd still wait till the next month for it to start, because it is set ahead of time each month. And so recurring would be a good idea for a lot of people, so that you're automatically in it, because then you don't even have to worry. It's completely hands-free. It's just, if you ever decide to stop it, you just cancel it. You log in and cancel it. And like I said, the owner is very responsive, answered me both places like nothing. And I always do that with anything I use, and you should too, is you always test, do people, if you go to buy traffic anywhere by yourself or anything of the sort, always make sure that there's real people behind it, and a business, and that they answer people. That people make that mistake and don't do their due diligence of some stuff they're promoting, and it ends up costing them, because they end up joining something where the company or the owner never ever responds to them. So don't make that mistake. And that's why I'm doing this ahead of time, because I would never share a traffic source that I didn't trust, and I would never share a traffic source that I didn't do my due diligence with. So I want to pass on that I've done that, because I would never pass this on to you if I didn't. Okay. So once you have that set up, then you can just log in, before or after the first starts, and you can see your stats of traffic being delivered and stuff like that. But it's that simple to set that up, and you will be good to go for this campaign for Viral Traffic Co-op. And so we will keep this series. I will keep putting out videos. This isn't like the last video for this series. And again, in this series, I cover multitudes of ways to get traffic, both free and paid. So that's why it's important that, you watch this whole series, because I really give you a lot of other golden nuggets and everything else to help you learn to promote and completely have your business getting free online traffic, paid online traffic, offline traffic. There are so many unique ways to advertise, to build your company. People sometimes fail to think outside the box, and they just don't know where to go. And that's why this video series, I decided to do it, so that I could really help people accomplish like what we have, in building a company, our downline and everything like that, where we've made lots of money, is because it's all in the marketing. If you learn and master the marketing, you can have a very successful business. So other than that, my friends, hope you have a great day, and we will see you on another video.